Dreaming of long, luscious hair? Today, we're diving into essential tips to help you achieve your hair goals. Healthy hair growth starts with a consistent and gentle care routine. First, let's talk about washing. Use a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner that suits your hair type. Avoid overwashing, as this can strip your hair of its natural oils. Next, focus on scalp health. A healthy scalp is the foundation for strong hair growth. Consider regular scalp massages to stimulate blood circulation. Nutrition plays a vital role in hair health. Ensure your diet is rich in vitamins, minerals, and proteins. Biotin, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids are particularly beneficial. Protect your hair from heat damage. Minimize the use of hot styling tools, and always apply a heat protectant. Gentle handling is crucial. Avoid harsh brushing, especially when your hair is wet. Use a wide-tooth comb to detangle. Regular trims are essential, not to make your hair grow faster, but to remove split ends. This prevents further damage and breakage. Be patient and consistent with your routine. Hair growth takes time, but with dedication, you'll see results. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to achieving the long, beautiful hair you desire. Get ready to flaunt your radiant, healthy locks.